Let's say there are two people who sell the same toy car. Ali makes toy cars in country A and sells each one for $10. John makes similar toy cars in country B and sells them for only $6. Now imagine you're a customer. If both toy cars look almost the same, most people would probably buy John's toy car because it's cheaper. As more and more people buy from John, Ali starts selling fewer toy cars. His business becomes smaller, some workers lose their jobs, and eventually he might stop making toy cars altogether. The government of country A notices this and starts thinking about the problem. The cheaper toy cars are good for customers because they save money. But if Ali's factory closes, local jobs disappear and the country becomes dependent on toy cars coming from another country. To help Ali compete, the government places a $4 tariff on every toy car that John brings into country A. A tariff is simply a tax on imported goods. Now John's toy car no longer costs $6. After adding the $4 tariff, it costs $10. Suddenly, both toy cars cost the same amount. Because the price difference is gone, some customers start buying from Ali again. His factory stays open and local workers keep their jobs. This simple example shows how tariffs work in real life. Governments place tariffs on imported products to make them more expensive, which helps local businesses compete. The idea is that protecting local industries can preserve jobs and production inside the country. However, there is also a downside. Before the tariff, customers could buy a toy car for $6. After the tariff, the cheapest option costs $10. So while local businesses benefit, consumers often end up paying higher prices. That is why tariffs are always a balancing act between protecting domestic industries and keeping prices low for consumers.